Do you love baking? When making bread at home, have you ever met the problem of doing other things when baking and forget your bread is fermenting,
2,000 years later.
ending up with your bread over-fermented? How frustrating. So, we are here to solve this problem. Allow us to introduce our timer yeast, Chronos yeast. We aimed to modify the genes in the baking yeast and came up with the idea of using oil trough yeast. We designed a circuit based on toggle switch. Before we add the inducer galactose, the switch is kept at off state, while a protein that complements the autotrophy gets to express. After the galactose is added, the gene of a repressor protein starts expressing, triggering the switch to be turned on, and the complementary gene ceases expressing and terminating fermentation over a certain period of time. The switch is a module containing a pair of proteins that repress the expression of one another. At off state, one of the two genes gets to express, repressing expression of the other protein nearly to the full extent, while when the switch is turned on by overexpression of the repressed gene, the expression of the other gene is rapidly shut down, leading to a drop in its concentration, and the following modules are stopped from expressing. The yeast is then lack of oil trough and goes into dormancy. If you are interested in our project, contact us and follow us.